Hey, hello, it's Diane. Happy Friday. It is Friday the 15th, and I thought I'd pop on here. There could be some chaos shortly. My daughter's getting ready to go to a little party, but right now it's quiet. I just took some pumpkin, blueberry, cranberry bread out of the oven, 4 loaves, and I used my donut pan and made these little donuts with the rest of the batter that I had. I don't have any powdered sugar. Look how cute those are. So, yeah, I have that just happened. And I have some empties to go through with all of you. Hope everybody's having a good Friday. And it's been a long day, long week, but happy to be here and share wax empty joy with you. I just went on and I had 2 rewards with Bath and Body Works, so I ordered the white chocolate macadamia nut 3-wick candle, and I got the this blueberry lemon drop one that I wanted, and I was walking out of the store when I picked up another order the other day, and I smelled it, and I'm like, just walk away. So, and I had a reward, so I got those 2 candles, and I got a lotion, a body cream for Emily that's lavender vanilla, which was really nice in the store, and I know she'll really like that. So let's do some empties, y'all. I've been loving the Mardi Gras collection reviews that a lot of our YouTube friends are doing. Etta and I decided that we could have done that collection, hopefully, respectfully, a heck of a lot better if we had the wherewithal to do that. But I can't wait, because I didn't get to try any of them yet, and I probably will get the bundle and definitely probably club the king cake. But who was I talking to? Well, Alexis suggested there should have been a boozy one, like maybe, I don't know, I would think maybe like a mint julep instead of creme de menthe, and maybe like a hurricane type drink, like a fruity, or Etta, I think, who said it? About the beignet one. What's with the lily? Again, I haven't smelled these yet, but with beignet, they could have added a really rich, creamy coffee and made it like a Cafe du Monde thing. So I'm very excited. Anybody that doesn't want their Mardi Gras box that they got their bundle in, send it on over, because I love that. My whole kitchen's one big Mardi Gras decoration in some respects here and there. So anyhow, let's do some empties. Okay, got through a lot this week. So I finished last night Britta's Necronomicon, which is Rustic Lodge, Amber, Sandalwood, and Juicy Pear. That was beautiful. I did that in the rest of the house. This is the Advent Sassy Wax from yesterday. So that was just beautiful, giant piece. This went in 2 warmers. Let's Claus a Scene, Hansel and Gretel's House, Orange Chiffon Buttercream. This went for 30 hours, okay? I mean, I just took it out. I put it in yesterday morning about 7, and I took it out about noon, however many hours that is. I took it out about noon today, and put it in yesterday early morning. It was strongest, beastly, goodness joy. And then I had an L3 Advent, which was so good today. Baked apple, spicy cinnamon, clove, fluffy yellow cake, and bear claw. This was so good. Super duper good. I finished on the naughty list, on the really naughty list. I got more of this in the RTS, thank goodness. This is Palo Santo, Bath and Body Works type, Jimmy Choo type, and Oh Christmas Tree. I put that in the house today. Oh my, this is so good. So good. I just love her Palo. Oh no, hold on. Okay. This is, I did this this week, pumpkin carvings, pumpkin pie waffle cone. That was really good. We have some empty Advent boxes from L3. This one was day 10, and this was up to snow good, caramel macchiato, cafe, and Danish butter cookies. Really, really good. Oh my gosh, the Advents are so fun. Who's doing an Advent, and who are you doing one with? This is Another Day Gangsta Wrapper from L3. Gangsta Wrapper, toasted bread, butter, orange marmalade, and mulled cider. This was so good. This reminded me of Rose Girl's cranberry orange marmalade carbs, I think it is. This was so good. Anywho. I finished some Britta's The Quicksilver, which is absinthe pumpkin pecan waffles. That was great. Always love Britta's. This was one of the advents from Zape that I'm also doing, Ho Ho Ho. This is sweet peppermint candies and creamy marshmallow. This was beautiful. Her advent, not everybody gets the same thing every day. Plus she's doing like full-size body sprays and very generous sized whipped soap or body butter sugar scrub. So some days you get wax, some days body care. It's really fun. This is L3's Another Advent Day Tinsel Twinkles, Amber Noir, Tonka Bean, Amber, and Oud. That was a good one. All of them are good. Another Advent Day with Sassy Wax. This was so beautiful. It's Snow Beautiful, Cosmic Berry, Lavender, and Alpine Frost. All of these performed extremely well. I'm telling the truth. Cross my heart. Unbelievably performing wax now. This is from MK's Body Sweets. I did this in the living room the other day. This is Cold Winter Dreams. I forget what the notes are, but this is gorgeous. A beautiful wintry one. This is from Lavender and Speckles. I finished some crackling pecan waffles. So good. Super beautiful. What else do we have? That's our empty advent. Another empty advent. That's just a little box. This is from L3. Cinnamon Bark, Smoky Fireside Vanilla. Another Advent Day. This was so pretty. Cinnamon Donuts. I chopped this up and I put this in with something else in the living room. Something else bakery. Oh my gosh. Her wax is really great. I just absolutely love it. I don't warm it all that often, but I have a huge stash of it. I have to remember to reach for it. I finished some K scented melts. Gobbling It Up. This is a huge favorite. Caramelize praline, pumpkin souffle, and cornbread. I love cornbread blends. This one is beautiful. I would get that again and again and again. This is Another Advent Day from Sassy Wax. This is Hot Cocoa Dreams. Hot chocolate, vanilla frosted grahams, marshmallow fluff, and whipped cream. Beautiful. I'm so enjoying even hot cocoa blends around this time of year. And here's another Sassy Advent Day. This is Let's Go Caroling. Christmas cookie, vanilla bean Noel, mac apple, buttercream, and bourbon butterscotch. These all did so well. Vintage Library from Southbound I did. This is leather, patchouli, vanilla, violet, plum, and peach. That was beautiful. I finished, now this, no, I put that, never mind. I did that with you guys last week. What else do we have? I'm almost done actually. This is another L3, Rebel Without a Clause, Tres Leches Cake, Dulce de Leche, Sweet Cream Frosted Sugar Cookie. That was a beast. Super duper beautiful beast. Dear Santa, warm toasty fire gingerbread cookies and sweet cinnamon sugar. That was a gingerbread house from last year. That was beautiful. Christmas Past. This was an advent from this year from Zape. This is, I have to get more of this. This is spiced orange, candied apple, clove. She has this in the body spray still right now, I think, and body care and wax still. This is so beautiful. Christmas Past. Another advent from Zape, holly berries, woody Christmas greens, juicy apple, ripe raspberries, and sweet plum. This was another really pretty one. Performed so well, Holly Days. But she still has holiday wax on her website. I finished this from L3. This is Salty Sea Air Toasted Mallow Lighthouse. This is a favorite of mine in my little reorder section of my basket. This is Sea Air, White Musk, Lavender, Cashmere, Amber, Tonka, Cedar, and Plum. Definitely need to get that again. Sleigh Bells Ring. Oh my gosh. This, I think I just ordered a loaf of this or something. Something went on and she had this. Plum tart, wildberry mousse, and sugared corn pudding. Oh my goodness. So good. So good. I finished, almost done. This is from L3, Happiest Christmas, Magic Walnut fudge, chestnuts, and brown sugar, and frothy holiday beverages. That was a gingerbread house from last year. That was so pretty. This is another Sassy Advent. Merry Lil Givers. Fresh squeezed oranges, lemon curd, sugar plum, raspberry holiday cookies. Really good. Oh my gosh. They came in such cute shapes too. What else do we have? I think that's it, you guys. I thought I had more empties than this, but that's okay. These couple of these I have in here because I wanted to order them again. This is a sample from Sassy Girl Aroma, Piñata. That was really pretty. Very fruity, festive and fruity. And I think that's it. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for, oh, one more thing I have to show you. Nothing to do with empties, but look how cute this is. I got this on Amazon. Somebody had this on a Instagram story, and it's these cute empty, there's 3 of them in here, these empty gingerbread man bottles. And it comes with the lid. It comes with the little lids, and it comes with little hats and a scarf. And in this girl's Instagram story, she had a recipe for gingerbread latte and in a crock pot where you put in the strong coffee and a bunch of gingerbread and spices, and you crock pot that for like 12 hours. And then she filled these up with a cute little straw to drink the gingerbread latte out of these. Super cute. So of course I'd use my Google Lens to find out where these were from so that I could purchase them and make gingerbread latte in the crock pot. So I've been a little under the weather. I'm feeling better tonight. A weird cold flu-y thing. Emily had it, and just trying to work my way through it and take care of myself. So I haven't made the gingerbread latte yet, but I got the crock pot, and I did bake these. Emily's gonna see some of her boyfriend's family, so I made more pumpkin cranberry blueberry bread, and I'm gonna wrap one of those up because she's getting ready to leave. Thank you for joining in. I appreciate all of you. I love the wax and candle community. Just it's such a blessing. I've made so many wonderful acquaintances, friends, I want to say compadres, you know, just confidants, whatever you want to call yourselves. And it's just so wonderful that we get to share the love of home fragrance. And, you know, the rest of the family and friends could think we're nuts, but we have each other. And, you know, we don't have to feel so alone because we're all together in our wax and home fragrance lovely joy. So have a wonderful evening, and thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Bye!